I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Can You Keep a Secret Anime Op. This iconic opening theme, performed by Masayuki Suzuki, is from the second season of a beloved romantic comedy anime. We will delve into the captivating elements that make this opening so memorable. From its unique musical composition to its clever visual storytelling, we will uncover why it quickly became a fan favorite and a standout in anime history. The musical composition of Can You Keep a Secret is a masterclass in blending genres. It features an incredibly vibrant and upbeat jazz-pop fusion sound, immediately grabbing listeners' attention. Masayuki Suzuki's powerful and charismatic vocals are truly the heart of the song, giving it a distinct and memorable character. The track also incorporates catchy brass sections and a driving rhythm, creating an infectious energy that perfectly complements the anime's tone. Beyond its fantastic music, the visuals and animation of this opening are equally impressive. The animation style is incredibly dynamic, expertly showcasing the lively interactions and personalities of the characters. It employs a palette of bright, engaging colors and fluid movements, effectively conveying a sense of energy and fun. Furthermore, many key scenes within the opening cleverly foreshadow important plot points or subtle character arcs, adding depth for attentive viewers. Can You Keep a Secret quickly became a significant cultural phenomenon within the anime community. It is widely praised for its unique and seamless blend of captivating music and stunning visuals, setting a high bar for anime openings. The song's infectious energy and memorable presentation ensured its place as a fan favorite. It continues to be celebrated as one of the most iconic and enduring anime openings of its time, leaving a lasting impression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.